Hello, this is the movie about the machine maintenance after some times and cleaning. Take off the power supply and the air pressure. And this is what I'm doing in my machine. I don't put oil over there because it might affect the solenoid waves and make them stop. In the machine we have 4 pneumatic cylinders. One is here, 1, 2, 3, and the big one over there, the 4. So what I'm doing, I just put a little bit on my finger and smush here, a little bit here, here and here. Also on the big one. Just push forward. Okay, now I can take off the mouthpiece and the piston and clean inside. Take the spring off. Okay, the spring have here, this one back, 2 screws, one here, one here. Just screw it off. We use Torx T20 key. Okay, take it off. I just have a look if it don't have any damage here, on here, and if it's in a good condition. Just clean over there. Now I can push finger the piston. Okay. The important thing is to check if here is no tobacco glue, because it often happens, so I just clean it mechanically, okay, over there. Can push take some tobacco out. Okay, now what can I do now? I can also take off the piston, so I need to unscrew over here. Okay, this is the machine from forward. I go there, this screw over here. In some machines you don't need to screw it, you need to just push it up and it will go easy without the screw. Or just take it totally out, the screw over here, try again. If it's still stuck, you can use some tool, but don't do damage the piston. I catch it over here and just push forward. Okay. Now we just need to have a look if don't have some scratch or damage. These parts might be changed from time to time. Okay, so this is the parts I have. The mouthpiece, the piston, the screw which one block the piston like this, yeah, and 2 screws for the mouthpiece. Before I just hoover it and clean more, we can take off this metal part to clean the chamber inside. It is 1 screw over there, just maybe even by finger, and take off the spring. Okay. Okay. Take off. What we can also take off? We can also take off this part to have a better access to the chamber. 2 screws over here. Okay, 2 screws, take off. It goes out easy. We can take off also this 2 cables. Don't need to, because we can just put it like that, but if you want to make it more easy, just push and pull. 1 and 2. Okay, we just push pull the cable. Yeah, this is what. So now we have access to the chamber, because sometimes something might go to the chamber and block the machine, you know, so this is good to have the access over there. Okay, so what I usually do, I just clean it mechanically to check if there is nothing inside, yeah, and just cover everything. Okay, after we use the machine, we can see the tobacco get glued here on the metal blade. So I use this paper, this kind of paper, just to clean it. Okay, it looks clean. What I'm going to do now is to put the spring back on the holder, because I want to push the blade forward, but if I won't push the spring, this part will block, okay, the blade, and it won't go forward. So what I'm going to do is push it here, and now it should go easy forward. Okay, I can clean here, and this is like, when we push forward, it can't be any force, okay, and it should go to the end. Okay, what more we can do? We can also clean the sensor over here. Tobacco from there. Check if everything is screw well. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now after cleaning the machine, we can reassemble it again. I start from the piston. Before we put it back, we can just clean it with the paper. Okay, because sometimes it has some problems with get back inside, so just we put it back. I don't know if we can see it. Yeah, it's here. Just this hole must be in the same level with this hole. Okay, this is the point. And after we block it by screw. Yeah, just make sure only make sure we put it this direction. Okay, because it's possible to put it wrong side like this, but this is bad. Okay, so just make sure we put it this side. If we have some problems to put it, we can just make sure we screw it to the end. Okay, this is important, because if it's not screwed to the end, it means we put the piston wrong, and we need to see what's go wrong. Okay, I put back the piston. It's this metal part over there. Push it back and push the screw over there. Okay. Next part will be this one. If you want to put cables back, just push it. Okay, and that's it. 1, 2. Okay. 2 screw, 1 here. Screw it back. Okay, screw back. Put spring. This is it. Now I'm going to put back this the mouthpiece. Okay, I push the... Okay, what is important here? Important is to clean over here and make sure the mouthpiece goes well like this, because sometimes it's happen we screw it on the corner like this and it's really affect the machine. So before we screw, just make sure it is like this over here. Now we use to screw. I catch the screw, so one and another, and just push it by finger, okay, when the screw is close to the end. Okay. One, two, just block it a bit, and important to put the spring back, okay? Okay, so this is the cleaning of the machine. We don't need to do it every time, okay? The very important thing is just to not leave tobacco inside after finished job. This is what we have to do, and clean the piston over there, and also clean the metal part here. Okay? We don't need to take off the piston every time we clean it. Just clean it over there, yeah, and it will be enough. Thank you.